Installing Windows on a virtual machine. Setting up Windows in a virtual machine allows you to test applications, run software in an isolated environment, and experiment without affecting your main operating system. In this lesson, we'll walk through the complete process of installing Windows on a virtual machine, step by step. Step 1. Preparing your virtual machine. Before installing Windows, ensure you have the following: a hypervisor installed, such as VirtualBox, VMware Workstation, or Hyper-V. A Windows ISO file downloaded from Microsoft's official website. At least 4 GB of RAM and 20 GB of disk space allocated to the VM. Creating a new virtual machine. 1. Open your hypervisor, VirtualBox, VMware, or Hyper-V. 2. Click New to create a new virtual machine. 3. Enter a name for your VM, e.g. Windows 10 VM. 4. Select Windows as the operating system type and choose the version, Windows 10/11, Windows Server. 5. Click Next to configure system resources. Step 2. Configuring VM resources. Allocating CPU and RAM. 1. Assign at least 2 CPU cores for better performance. 2. Allocate at least 4 GB of RAM or more if your system allows. Creating a virtual hard disk. 1. Select Create a virtual hard disk now and click Next. 2. Choose a disk type. VDI VirtualBox disk image if using VirtualBox. VMDK virtual machine disk if using VMware. 3. Select Dynamically Allocated, Recommended, or Fixed Size for better performance. 4. Set the disk size to at least 20 GB, then click Create. Step 3. Attaching the Windows ISO. 1. Open your VM settings and navigate to Storage. 2. Click on the empty disk icon and select Choose a disk file. 3. Locate and select the Windows ISO file you downloaded earlier. 4. Click OK to save your settings. Now your VM is ready to boot from the Windows installation media. Step 4. Installing Windows on the VM. 1. Start the virtual machine and wait for the Windows setup screen to appear. 2. Select your language, time zone, and keyboard settings, then click Next. 3. Click Install Now to begin the installation process. 4. If prompted, enter a valid Windows product key or click I don't have a product key to continue without activation. 5. Select the version of Windows you want to install, Home, Pro, or Enterprise, and click Next. 6. Accept the license agreement and choose Custom, Install Windows Only for a fresh installation. Partitioning the virtual hard disk. 1. When prompted to select a drive, choose Unallocated Space and click Next. 2. Windows will automatically format the virtual disk and begin the installation process. Step 5. Completing the installation. 1. Wait for Windows to copy files and install updates. The VM will restart multiple times during this process. 2. Once installation is complete, follow the on-screen instructions to create a user account. Set a password optional. Adjust privacy and system settings. Step 6. Installing VMware tools or VirtualBox guest editions. To improve performance, install additional VM tools. For VirtualBox, 1. Click Devices, insert guest edition CD image. 2. Open the CD drive inside the VM and run the installer. Restart the VM after installation. For VMware, 1. Click Player, Manage, Install VMware Tools. 2. Run the installer inside the VM and follow the prompts. 3. Restart the VM to apply changes. These tools improve graphics, enable clipboard sharing, and allow seamless mouse integration. Final steps. Your Windows VM is now ready to use. You can install software and drivers to customize your environment. Take snapshots to save your VM state before making changes. Adjust VM settings, increase RAM, CPU, disk size for better performance. In the next lesson, we'll walk you through installing Linux in a virtual machine.